This is a Zeta Ophiuchi. It's a star with a complicated past, having likely been ejected from its birthplace by a powerful stellar explosion. A new look by NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory helps tell more of the story of this runaway star. Located about 440 light-years from Earth, Zeta Ophiuchi is a hot star that is 20 times more massive than the Sun. Previous observations have provided evidence that Zeta Ophiuchi was once in close orbit with another star, before being ejected at about 100,000 miles per hour when this companion was destroyed in a supernova explosion over 1 million years ago. Previously released infrared data from NASA's now-retired Spitzer space telescope, seen in this new composite image, reveals a spectacular shock wave that was formed by matter blowing away from the star's surface and slamming into gas in its path. Data from Chandra shows a bubble of X-ray emission located around the star, produced by gas that has been heated by the effects of the shock wave to tens of millions of degrees.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.